Great Plains, fenirob versus Super John. We're going to play a third game, even though John has whooped me 2 previous times. I will put a link to those videos in the description below. This game is about as fast an area control as you will get. Great Plains, we have chosen randomly. John will be placing his caves first. He is blue, the serpents. I am orange, foxes. Go, sir. I'm gonna get access to some of these. Yeah, that's a pretty good move. We'll go here. Okay, so I place first this time. I'll go there and grab a horsey. That allows me to move 2 away, because normally you have to place adjacent to one of your other pieces or caves.
Want to play here and as well get a horsey.
I'm gonna go here.
Go here and grab an eagle.
I'm gonna use my horse and I'm gonna move 2 to here. 1, 2. Go here and take an eagle.
I'm going to play my horse and move 2 and go there.
I will go here. I'll go here and take a bear. Bears help you push people.
Let's go there.
I'm gonna use my bear and I'm gonna push this guy back to here, and you don't get the thing you land on.
I'm gonna go here.
I'm gonna go here and grab another bear.
Thought you might. I'm going to go here and grab a bear.
I'm gonna go here and take an eagle.
Let's go here.
I'm gonna go here and take a horse.
Over here.
I'm gonna use a bear. And I'm gonna push this guy into a mountain from here, get him out of there. He's dead.
I'm gonna go here and get a horse.
I'm gonna use an eagle and go from here to here.
I'll go there.
I'm gonna use a horse and go from here to here and get another horse.
I'm gonna use a horse to go from here to here.
I guess I'll put one there. And we're playing that you can't push someone into a cave, but you can fly over it with an eagle.
I'm going to go here and get an eagle.
I'm gonna go here and take a bear.
I'm going to go here.
I'm going to use a horse to go here and get another bear.
I'll use my bear to push this guy out.
From there to there.
Nope.
Well played. That guarantees you this probably. I'm going to go here.
I'm going to go here and get a horse.
I'm going to go here.
I'm using my eagle to fly over there.
I'll go here.
I'll go there.
You got that sewn up. There's nothing I can do about it. And you don't have any bears, so you can't really push me. I'm not sure there's any move I can make to increase my... I did capture this one this time, right?
Yeah, I couldn't find a way to push you. I was trying to get around here to push you into the mount, but you sewed that up pretty quick. I think you got this one.
Possibly. I'm just going to go here.
I think I'm going to use the horse. I'm going to take this one on land.
Mm-hmm.
Go there. I could have flown. Won't be safe.
All right. Game over. Let's score yours.
1, 2.
Yep.
3, 4.
Yep.
5, 6, 7.
Yes, because of the spring.
8, 9.
Yes.
10, 11, 12. And then this is 13. And that is all
it.
I have. Yeah.
So this one here is 1, 2 because of the spring. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yep.
I scored this one. So it's 3 more. That's 10.
Yep. We got this one here.
11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
I think it's 19. I think you double counted that one, but we can double check. 3, 4, 5,
Yes.
6, 7. Oh, that's the other one you're counting.
Yeah.
6, 7. Okay, yeah. So 21 to 13. So that was a thrashing.
Yeah, that was huge. That was huge. And
Yeah, I tried to cut you off by running over here real quick, but it didn't help.
All right, well, I took the consolation prize. Well done me. Yay.
You're not completely horrible. Good for you.
That is Great Plains, the quickest area control game for 2 players, I think, in the history of board gaming. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, and if you would, subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe, please.